Hello everyone, I am Eunice and I'm working as a functional English and life skills trainer. In this video, we are going to discuss about homophones. Previously, we already learned about homographs, so now we will learn about homophones to get rid of the confusion because the words look similar, they pronounce similar and the meanings are different. So, to get rid of that confusion, we are going to learn about homophones also. So homophones are derived from Greek word homophone. Homo is same and phone is sound. So homophone means same sound. See, phone has to do with the sound. When you talk on telephone, you hear the other person's voice. When people in 1800s, they used a gramophone, they were listening to music. And phonology is the study of language sounds. So homophone means same sound. So now let's get into the examples for a better understanding. Okay, so this is the first example of homophones. Here we have two words C and C. The first one is SEE and the second one is SEA. Though the pronunciation is same, we have different spellings. Yes, are you understanding? Okay, so now we will see with sentences. The first one SEEC. I can see that cow. So here we can understand that here this first C is which is related to viewing with our own eyes. So the first one is I can see that cow, and the second one is SEAC. He lives near the sea. It can be a beach, it can be a sea, so it relates to that kind of example. So he lives near the sea. So this is the first example, and next we'll move into second example. So again, if you notice, the words we can pronounce them in a similar way, but the spelling is different. The first one is PLAIN and the second one is PLANE. So both has different meanings also. They doesn't look similar. Okay, so now we'll go with the example. First one, PLAIN, plain. It was a plain room. And the second one, PLANE. He went to Kashmir via plane. So in the first one, it just says whether it's plain or whether it's concrete or like that. And the second one is telling whether he went via plane or bus. So it's a transport. The second one relates to transport. So see here we have the same pronunciation but have different spellings and the meaning. So this is called homophones. Okay, so now we will move into the next example, PEACE, peace, and PIECE, peace. So both looks similar, I mean in the pronunciation wise, but the spelling and the meaning is different. So now we'll look with sentences. The first one is PEACE, peace. Chavi's mind was in complete peace after meditation. And the second piece, he gave me a small piece of cheese. So the first one, if you notice, it's related to mind, and the second one, the PIECE, related to the quantity. So both pronunciations are same, but it differs in the spelling as well as in the meaning. Okay, now we'll move into the next example. 8 and 8. Okay, so the first one and second one can be pronounced in a similar and identical way, but the spellings are very different, and also the meanings will also be different. Okay, now we will look them into with sentences. The first one, 8. He got 8 out of 10 marks in a test. Okay, and the second one is 8. Sanjay ate all chocolates yesterday. So the first one is related to number and the second one is related to the food that Sanjay ate. Okay, so he ate all chocolates yesterday. Okay, so if you observe here also, the pronunciations are same, but the spelling and the meanings are different, I mean very different. Okay, now we will move into the next example. Okay. Okay, sun and the sun. The first one is SON sun and the second one is SUN sun. The many people I have seen they often confused about these two words SON and SUN. Okay, so here is the difference. So we'll look with the sentences now. SON son. Arun has a son that it is related to a relation, a family relation. And the second one, sun rises from the east. So here if we observe, it's related to the stars and the planets. So sun rises from the east. So SUN is different from SON. So people please don't confuse between two words. There are literally there are very different words from each other. So even here if we observe, there are similarity in pronunciation but difference in spelling and the meaning. Okay, understood? So thank you for watching.